Hello students, I already discussed you about the need of MVS histories and the disk structure as well as latency seek time. So here I'm going to discuss you about the MVS history. What is MVS history? MV means multi-way search trees. So it is a generalized version of binary trees. And it is similar to binary search tree, which we had the MVS search tree had the M way. I mean, M means here M means M equal to 2 or else 3 or 4, whatever we take. M equal to, we may take 3, 2, 3, 4 and so on. That means 2-way trees, 3-way, 4-way. What we have taken, that is nothing but multi-way. These are all similar to binary search trees with where each node contains multiple elements. So that's why we named it as multi-way search trees. Each node may contains multiple elements. So in an MV search tree of order M, each node contains maximum of M minus 1 elements and M children. Actually in M equal to 4 of order, we have 4 minus 1 number of elements, that equal to 3 number of elements, as well as 4 number of pointers for children of these 3. So that's why we have mentioned here that each node contain multiple elements. For example, if order equal to 3, M equal to 3, here the nodes will be M minus 1, that is 2, as well as the pointers will be 3. So here the pointer P0, P1 and P2 are the pointers for the children. K1 and K2 are the keys or nodes or elements which we can call whatever we call, where K1 comma K2 are the elements and pointers P0, P1 and P2 are the pointers for the children. Here P0 is the left pointer of K1, as well as P1 is the right pointer of K1 and also the left pointer of K2, as well as P2 is the right pointer of K2. Here all mentioned that. And what is the example of MV search tree? Here we take 20, 70, 110, 210, 54 as well as 134 as an example. We should take the order as M equal to 3 order. So here if the order is order M, we may contain M minus 1 number of nodes as well as M number of pointers. Here that is mentioned. Here P0. First we have to take 20, 70. Here P0, P1, P2. 3 pointers as well as 2 nodes. And then 110. 110 is greater than 70 and greater than 20 as well as greater than 70. So 110 will be at the right of 70. So here 110 as well as 210. When we compare from 70 to 110, 210 is the biggest one and that is a greater than 110. So here 210 will be placed, as well as 54. When we compare from here to here, 54 is less than 70. So we placed here as 54. And then 134 here. This is similar to linear search, as well as similar to it will follow the BST property. Wherever the root node, the elements which are greater than root node will be from right side will be placed on right side, and less than the root node will be placed in left side. We are all know that. Here the pointers which were mentioned with P sequence are null. Here P0 will be null, as well as P6, P7, P5, P9. And we can also mention null with the cross. Here for example 2-way search tree. Here this is a 3-way search tree. This is the 2-way search tree example. If we take the 2, 20, 30, 90. This is like this cube, 20, 30, 90. Here m equal to 2, then 2, we may have one element and 2 pointers. Then 20, 30, 90. We can state with this example as BST is that means binary search tree is a type of M-way search tree with order 2. Why? Because here in binary search tree also we have only one element and 2 children, as well as here we have 2 pointers for children and only one element in the middle. Here if we have any 10 or else, this is like the BST, where this will follow, this is also following the BST property. That means the nodes which are greater than the root node is present will be placed in right side, as well as less than will be placed in left side. So we can say that, or we can state from this example that M-way search tree, BST, binary search tree is a type of M-way search tree with the order of 2 or else degree of 2. So these are all the topic. This is the topic of M-way search tree. This is all about the M-way search tree. But what is the problem? What is the problems related to M-way search tree? Why there is any problems related to M-way search tree? Here are the problems. For example, if we take 10, 20, 30, this will be, there's no control. We can either take 20 first, then 30, then 10. But it's not possible. Here we can take linearly. The what order the input will be given, we can take that order 10, 20, 30. There's no proper rules for which we have insert, or we have to reduce the height, or we have to merge, or we have to split, or whatever the conditions. There is no proper rules and guidelines here. So there is no control, and this is a similarity of linear search. We can go through directly with the property of BST for any searching of an element. So there is a problem of memory storaging. So height will depends upon the number of elements in the present tree. Height also depends on the number of elements. Here 3 given data, 3 elements are there. Height will be in 3 levels, 1, 2, 3. So no proper guidelines for creation or insertion. So we have to create proper guidelines and control. For that we have to call B trees. We can call B trees as balanced M-way search trees. So what are the properties, guidelines, and what are the properties and operations which were present in B trees, and what are the disadvantages of B trees will be discussed with you in next video. Happy reading.